Hello, welcome to everyone. Let's look the topic called quadratics. Under the quadratics, the concepts covered under this session as extreme point and vertex of the quadratic function along with finding the axis of symmetry. Problem 1. We have to rewrite the given equation to x squared minus 8x plus 5 in the form of a of x plus b the whole square plus c where a, b, c are integers. Before we starting into the session, we can discuss some of the basic concepts. What would be that? This the form a times x plus b the whole square plus c. This is the form so-called vertex form of the quadratic equation, and the vertex is minus b comma c. That is here on 1 minute I will write the general form or general vertex form x minus h whole squared plus k. This is the general vertex form of the general vertex form of the quadratic equation. Okay. Here h comma k is the vertex. X equal to h is the axis of symmetry. These are the things we come to learn before we coming into the point of the problem related to this. Okay. Other one thing is if a is a positive value, then it compulsory get minimum value, and a is a negative value, the curve is downward, open downward, and we get the maximum one. Okay. These are the basic concepts. Then can we go to the problem? Yeah. This type of problem we have already looked into it. How can we rewrite the general quadratic form into the special form? So what can we do? First we have to write 2x squared as square root of 2x whole square. Then the term root 2 must be involved in 2ab, that is a middle term. So we can multiply root 2 and divide root 2 in middle term. Then we can get 2 root 2 and b as 4 root 2 x. 4 by root 2. Then plus 5. Then now we can add up the b value, that is 4 by root 2. 4 over root 2. This is the b. This and this is the a. This 2 combined a. 2 is the formula. Okay. Now we can have to add b square and subtract b square. And then first three terms combined can be written as a minus b the whole square format. Then we have to rewrite that root 2. We can class multiply this. Then we get 2x minus 4 by root 2 the whole square. Then root 2 whole power 2 is 1 by 2, and we can get 2x minus 4 the whole square. When we working out this, 4 times 4 is 16 and root 2 times root 2 is 2. Then we have to divide this, we can get 8. So minus 8 plus 5 is minus 3. Then here we have to take 2 on both sides inside the square. So 2 square can be common out. So 4 by 2, then cancel out 2. Then other form is 2 times x minus 2 the whole square minus 3. This is the answer for the first question, A subdivision. Then we can go with B subdivision. B subdivision, they are given the different equation and we have to find the line of symmetry. That means first we have to write the vertex form, and then it is easily written as x is equal to h is the line of symmetry. Okay, let me go through. Then for initially we can write, we can add up 5 and minus 5. Why? Because from the previous part we can easily take the vertex form for 2x squared minus 8x plus 5, isn't it? So we have to add 5 and subtract 5. Minus 5 plus 1 is minus 4, and for first three terms we get the answer as 2 times x minus 2 the whole square minus 3 from the part A, and we can have this equation, and minus 3 minus 4 is minus 7. Here vertex is 2, 8, comma minus 7 and axis of symmetry is x equal to 2. Axis of symmetry is nothing but the line of symmetry. Okay. Yes. It's the easiest question. Then we can go with the problem 2. This is also a similar question. First, we have to write the vertex form of the given quadratic equation. Then a is similarly root 2x, and for b, we have to include 2 root 2 in numerator and denominator. 2 is the term and 2 root 2 x is a and b is 9 by 2 root 2. So we have to add 9 by 2 root 2 whole square and subtract 9 by 2 root 2 the whole square as a second term. And we have to group first three terms into a plus b the whole square. And we can simplify these things. 2 root 2 is cross multiplied with root 2. We can get 4x plus 9 over 2 root 2 the whole square. 2 root 2 whole square is nothing but 8. So first term is 1 by 8, 4x plus 9 the whole square. And the second term is 9 by 2 root 2 whole square. 9 9 are 81. 2 root 2, 2 root 2 is 8. And for 4 can be taken LCM as 8. Then we can get 32 by 8. Then we can simplify we can take a note 4 from 4x plus 9 the whole square as a 16 and inside the square x plus 9 by 4. 16 by 8 is nothing but a 2 and when we simplify minus 81 by 2 8 plus 32 by 8 we can get minus 49 by 8. Then the vertex form of the given expression is 2 times x plus 9 by 4 whole square minus 49 by 8. Then the part B is we have to find the vertex of the curve and whether the vertex is maximum or minimum point. From the vertex form, we can easily know that minus 9 by 4 and minus 49 by 8 is a vertex and the axis of symmetry is minus 9 by 4 and a value is positive. Whenever a is positive, the vertex must be the maximum point. Sorry, minimum point. Whenever a is negative, it is a maximum point. Okay, because for a is negative means the parabolic downward, that is quadratic equation is open downward. So we get the maximum point. When a is positive, we can have the open up and we get the minimum point as the vertex. Okay. Okay. Thank you. Bye bye.